Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can insert a list database in your Notion. So you're going to want to open up your Notion. Make sure you're clicked inside your template where it says write something or press space for AI /4 commands. We're going to hit the / and we're going to type in list view. Once we do that, we're going to get this little drop down menu. It says it under database. It says list view. It's the only one at the top. You're going to click on that and it's going to give you your list database. Now, I created multiple videos going more in depth about the menus up in this area for the databases. They all carry the same over to each database. So you can check out those videos if you need more help in navigating. But what we're going to focus on in this video is going to be the list database itself. Now you have the option if you want this to be untitled or if you want to title it, you can simply click on it. If you need to edit it for any reason, you can hit these three little dots and it'll allow you to view the database, edit the database title, or hide the database title. You can go in and edit these by going to this little pencil right here and over it says edit. Once you do that, it'll give you the option, the flashing cursor. You can change the title of this. So I'm just going to change it to film video, but I need to enter in more information and I'm going to do that by going over to the right of that and it says open in side peek. Once I open in a side peek, this is its own little page. So I can go in and I can add in tags, talk about when it was created. If I want to go in and add a property, which I also talk about these in other videos, if you need more information on that, I can go in and add that in here. And then if I need to go in and add anything down here, I can do that. And then I can go up here and I can close it. And you can see once you have information entered in the page, you're not going to forget that that information is there because the icon changes where it looks like there's typed things in this little piece of paper where this is blank. Now you can keep them blank. You don't have to use that option, but that's how you would go in and create a page for each thing in your list. And then to add a new page, you can just hit the plus button right here and it'll tell you to type in a name. And that is how you use the list database in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find this to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.